Hello, and welcome back to CS201 walkthroughs. My name is Lukash, and today we're going to be trying to submit a homework on a Mac. So I'm not on a Mac, as you might know, but I'm going to be pretending I'm on a Mac. So if you're on a Mac, you should be able to follow something pretty similar to what I'm doing. Just a quick note is that all of this information and a whole lot more is available on the course website. If you go to zoo.cs.yale.edu/classes/cs201 and go to the Linux Quick Start Guide, you will find all of this information and more. Right now I'm just going to be running you through the commands you need to submit your homeworks, as in all likelihood that's most of what you're interested in for right now. Two important commands you need to know are going to be cd and ls, just to kind of get around, and then in here, this one and this one, I guess this one and this one. So I'll show you how all of these work. I'll say first, I guess you want to open your terminal. So on Macs you have a place you can search, I think it's like Spotlight or something. You can just type in the word terminal. You'll find something called the command prompt or the terminal. They're the same thing. When you open it, I'll show you something a little bit more like here. This is my command prompt for this. But it should say you're somewhere on your computer, and it should have this kind of arrow at the end. So what we're going to do first is we're going to click ls, and that's going to show us all of the folders and files that are in our current directory. So I'm in users/Lukash. Everything that's there is all of this mess. You'll notice usually you'll find desktop here. So I'm trying to find my homework folders. I'm going to have to go to the desktop. So I'll say cd desktop, ls again. I'm going to have to go to Yale, cd Yale. I'm going to have to go to 2018, 2019 classes, just because that's where I've happened to put my example folder. I'm going to cd CS201. Now I'm in my CS201 folder, and I have some example files called homework0.rkt and response.pdf. Okay. The first thing, I'll say step one is finding these two files and making sure you're in the correct directory with them. Step two is you have to run the scp command. So it's going to be scp. This is basically a way to upload files from your computer onto the zoo, or Yale's kind of network server thingy. So I'll say scp, and we can even go down into the instructions here and find that exact command. scp file name net id at node.zoo.cs.yale.edu. So here it'll be scp homework0.rkt lrc42 at node.zoo.cs.yale.edu. Importantly, at the end there's this :/cs201/. You should have a CS201 folder in your directory if you have added CS201 to your courses on courses.yale.edu recently. I have not, because I'm not taking CS201 right now, so I'm going to add it instead to another CS class. I'm going to write 210 where you would write CS201. CS210. Okay, then we press enter. It's going to ask us to log in. It's not going to show your password, but you are typing it. Press enter. And then it's going to say 100%. We've successfully uploaded it. We can do the exact same thing with response.pdf. You can actually do multiple files at once, but just for simplicity, I'm showing you one file at a time. There we go. So I've uploaded both of these files into the zoo. That was step 2. Step 1 was get here. Step 2 was scp. Step 3 is I'm going to log into the zoo with SSH, which stands for, I think, secure server host, something like that. But basically, it accesses the zoo from my own personal computer. So we can look at the command over here again, ssh netid at node.zoo.cs.yale.edu. So at lrc42 node.zoo.cs.yale.edu. It'll ask for my password again. Then it'll give me all these welcome to the zoo messages. I've never once really worried about what these are. You shouldn't have to either. We can ls again and see where we are. So we have a whole bunch of, or I have a lot of stuff here. I don't have a CS201 folder. I have a CS210 folder. I'm going to cd into my CS210 folder. You would cd into your CS201 folder. Oops. cd CS210. Now I'm in my CS210 folder, and you can see the files that I uploaded using SCP. Alright, now I need to, I guess step 4 now. So I got to where the files were, I SCP'd, that was step 2. I SSH'd, that was step 3, and I'm going to run the submit command. It's /c/cs201. So I can't actually run this command because, again, I don't have a CS201 folder on my computer, but the command you would run would be /c/cs201. /c/cs201/bin/submit. Then you're going to put the homework number, so in this case it's going to be 0. And then you're going to put the file names. So I would do homework0.rkt and response.pdf. This won't work for me. I don't have a CS201 folder. I don't know what it's going to do, but it should work for you. It may ask you to confirm. Once you do this, they will be submitted. This is just going to kind of, I guess, I cancel it because it's not going to work for me, but it should work for you. After that, you can run the check function to see if it worked. So cs201/bin/check 0. And when you run this, which I won't because it's not going to work, when you run this, it should show you what files you've submitted for this homework. You can exit the zoo by just typing in exit. I hope that helped you submit your homework 0 or whatever homework you're working on. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough, and I hope to see you in the next.